If you're looking for a productivity app that actually helps you stay organized, you might want to check out Tiimo. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see what this planner app really offers. Tiimo is designed as a visual planner aimed at helping users manage their time and tasks more effectively. The app stands out with its colorful, easy to navigate interface that feels inviting right from the start. You can create daily schedules, set reminders, and even categorize tasks using color codes, which is a nice touch for visual learners. The core functionality revolves around creating a structured day where you can add activities, set durations, and get notifications. This is especially useful for anyone who struggles with time management or has a busy lifestyle. The app also allows for customization, enabling users to tailor it to their unique needs. However, while the user experience is generally smooth, some features feel a bit basic compared to competitor apps. For instance, advanced analytics or productivity insights are notably absent, which might leave more data-driven users wanting more. Overall, it's a solid option for those who prefer a straightforward approach to planning. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of Tiimo. On the positive side, its user-friendly design and visual scheduling make it easy for anyone to pick up. The color coding system is particularly helpful for keeping track of different tasks at a glance. On the downside, it lacks some advanced features that might frustrate power users, like comprehensive reporting or integrations with other productivity tools. Additionally, while it offers essential functionalities, some users may find it a bit limited when it comes to customization options. If you're someone who thrives on detailed analytics or complex task management, Tiimo might not fully meet your needs. However, if you are looking for a straightforward and visually appealing planner, it could be a great fit. In conclusion, Tiimo is a solid choice for those seeking a simple visual productivity planner. It's particularly well suited for users who prefer an intuitive interface over complex features. However, if you need more robust planning tools, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you value simplicity in your daily planning.